What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. Hope you're all well. Hope you're having a good Sunday. Um, Weekly close today. We can see that potentially, usually for the weekly close, we like to pump to change sentiment. So, of course, we've got big wicks to the top. Usually, they mean wicks to the top, it wants to drop. Now, yes, it's at resistance, but we need to also look below, and we do have some support here. So, even though we've got wicks to the top and they're touching resistance, we're also at support at the same time. Yeah, I know we don't have wicks going downwards on these candles, maybe a little one there, but the bigger the wick to one side is showing you that it's really struggling to go in that direction, basically, which is to the upside, because you were up there. The market makers believe this price is too high. They believe that, yeah, this price is too high. It's in an area of supply and we need to drop it. Now we actually are at demand. You can see here, there's demand here because the bulls stepped in this location and made price stop right there. So this is support. And of course, we've got some resistance here, and that's what we're failing to close above. Now, of course, this, because it's at support, it could be a inverted hammer, just like this one. But also, because it's resistance, it could be a shooting star. Now, for me, because it's at both support and resistance, the chart doesn't even know what it wants to do. So what I'd rather do is let it decide. Let's see what next week brings, because we're going to get a decision either up or down. Once we close above this resistance here, 44.5, we're longing. If we lose this support here, if we go to the daily time frame now, if we're losing this support right here at 37k, we're coming back down to 35k. Lose 35k, we're coming back down to 33k, and lose 33k, we're coming to 30 to 31k. So it's as simple as that. It's just levels. Now those are the downward targets. We know the upward target. Break 44.5k and we should head to 56k. That's our technical target. Now we know that this green box is very key because it's that 39k wick support. So for the moment, as we are under it and as we are below this box as well, we need to flip them back into resistance. Same with all of these here. So all of these which were previous supports, you've lost them. So they're no longer support. They're all actually resistance. So even all these lines over here, every single line, just to make it clear, like these, the green ones are supports, the red ones are resistance, and we got more resistance above us at the moment than support. It's not good putting these series of lower highs now. So we noticed that if Bitcoin gets above this level over here slash this red box over here, then we're going back to the top of the range. So once you see Bitcoin closing above 41.5k, that is a long opportunity. Remember that 41.5k. Get a daily candle close above 41.5k, or even a 4H candle close above it with a back test of support with wicks or with a red candle, doesn't matter. Then we're going back to 44.5k. So it could be a little trade just like this to there, and then obviously once we do confirm that support, and then we could long to 56k. So those are two trades that you could potentially do. If you think this one from here is a bit more risky, and just wait for the daily candle close above this back test of support, or daily candle close with volume back in it, and then yeah, we have flipped the trend, because you can see if we are breaking above this red box here, you would be above the 200 EMA. The longer we take to come back up, the lower this 200 EMA is going to come down. And so once we do get above this level, we should also be above the 200 EMA. We just fall back to it for support before continuation, because we know we've been in this downtrend and it's been confirmed since we lost the 200 EMA right there. So it's basically telling us that since we've been below this, we should be looking for sell signals. So every time we come near it, you can see we had fake outs at the 55. Each fake out was a sell signal. So that, yes, it went into profit first, but his stop loss would have been above those wicks up there. So stop loss wouldn't have been met. It just would have went into slight minus first, then into profit. You come back to the 200 EMA at previous resistance, which we keep failing to close above. So short. You also got a doji right there, the red candle. So that was another short opportunity. Every single fake out as well right there you could have, or just there on that doji. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We know we're still holding this ascending support, and that needs to hold, because if we do fall out, we're coming back down to this green zone. We can break back in, and if we hold it as support, once we break back in, we should head back to the highs. And we know once we're breaking above 41.5k here, we can long until there, because there might be that risk where we do bounce from here but fail to get above 41.5 and then roll over and then keep going basically. So it's all about obviously staying inside the ascending support, reclaiming 41.5k, heading back to the top of the range, maybe get rejected again, maybe coming down to the bottom before breaking it, back testing it as support and heading to 56.5k. If you're enjoying the video, go smash the like button, subscribe of course. And yeah, our next target is 2.5k subscribers. Let's get there as quick as possible. We got a goal now. Let's hit that goal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the Signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the Signals chat. I wouldn't call it Signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.